I'ma excite the best thing in soul. So let a nigga take control and do what the fuck you been waiting to see. And that's me rolling on 3 days, but them hoes in the air, you seeing up there, sitting back in a bitch, and I don't care. I'm just fucking on red, yeah, rolled in a funnel. I got some little jelly in there, you know, and even though I was trying something, you know, I don't give up that fuck with a 6-pack, 12s in the trunk, chrome dip, nigga, don't flip, I ain't nobody fuck. So when down, please rag top and let me ride on the skate, baby, don't wait, let's slide.
Never let home ass niggas ride. Never let home ass niggas ride.
Still moving this flavor with the homie Black Street and Teddy. He's a real
Baby, gotta open all those down. Drinking if you don't play around. Never mess around. Just play you work it, no diggity. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I like the way you work it, no